What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and as you can tell, we're not in the Mark IV.
Why are you coming fast?
Anyway, as you can tell, we're not in my Mark IV. We are in Sean Murray of Raw Details Mark III, Megane, once again. He's been kind enough to lend me this for the second time or whatever now, while the car is in having its ceramic coating done. So it's been stage on polished and ceramic coated. So instead of me waffling on about it, I'll let the professional talk about it. So we're going to have a little walk around the car, explain what he's done to it and how we got it to where it is now. So catch up with you when we get there. Step by step, how did you get it from before to this?
So obviously first washed it off using garage therapy decon shampoo, which obviously helps remove any previous wax and sealants. After that, put the car in, give it a thorough decontamination, clay bar, tar and wheel, fallout remover, sorry, we know all the normal sort of decon steps. Panel wiped it off afterwards, went around checking the paint depth gauge, sort of to play with. A few heavy spots that needed cutting with Cartec diamond cut polish. More bit of spot work really.
Was that for the deepest, like the
Yeah, the deeper marks, yeah. It weren't the whole car, it was just a few patches here and there.
Yeah.
Done that first, and then inspected it afterwards again, and then refined it all with Cartec Final Cut to remove the swirls and just really gloss it right up. Pair of coatings which we used, G-Technic Crystal Serum Light and Exo V4.
So is that like a two-stage thing?
Yeah.
Put one on, let it sit, and then the next?
Yeah, that's right.
And all done on this machine, yeah?
Yeah, I have different machines as well, but the majority of it was done on the Flex. Yeah, it was done on the Flex and some like little correction work on the Rupees Mini.
With a small,
yeah,
right, a small one, yeah.
And
nice.
Yeah, that was it really. Obviously, glass windows, tires.
Happy with that come out?
I am, yeah. It is nice. It makes the colour pop now.
Yeah, definitely. The wheel looks a whole lot better as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
I need to get them before and afters from you because this was cruddy as hell. This was all like, obviously where it had been used and whatever. But what did you do on the interior?
So on the inside, give it a good hoover, wet vaxed them all, dried them all again, and then I used I can't remember what it's called, G-Technic fabric coat on the seats and the carpets.
So the seats are coated, are they?
Yeah. Just to give it like protection from spillages and things like that.
Nice. And what was used on the wheel? Did you just hot water?
No, what I used is I used a little bit of like 10:1 all-purpose cleaner on a pad, on a like microfiber.
Yeah, I'll put that on here because I've got that picture of it looking cruddy after you did it. Yeah. What about the wheel? Did you see just something with the levers on the wheel?
Well, I used a lever repair cleaning solution with the lever cleaning brush.
Naughty. Looks mega. You said about getting these wrapped, didn't you? As well, because there's.
It's an absolute nightmare.
Yeah. They're a lot better than they were.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I get what you mean. If you just get them, I'll have to go around that badge, I guess. But yeah, it looks unbelievable. So glossy. Also, this is the first time on camera properly where I've had all the wrapped bits in, I guess. So I had the Renaultsport, this little side vent thing wrapped in half gloss to get rid of most of the chrome, but keep that. Running the seal all the way down the door, that was all chrome as well. And then the door handles, they were chrome, so now they're black. Debadged the rear boot, black badge on there, black RS badge there from Ryan Kilner. and blacked out the surround for the exhaust as well, because that was like a chrome surround. Debating painting the actual inside of this black as well, just to kind of take your eyes off it fully, but yeah, we'll get there bit by bit. And obviously you've probably at this point already seen it lowered on the springs. Looks a million times better. Oh, hello. So yeah, absolutely buzzing. Can't wait to get it outside. To be fair, I should get it outside and get some shots of it now probably. It's a shame the sun's gone in. Perfect timing.
I know, that's why I tried to get as much as I could earlier on.
Yeah, man. This colour really pops off in the sun, and it's a shame the sun's gone in. But yeah, it's looking insane. Looking so good. Gloss is mad tings, look. Hello everyone. So yeah, step 2 of the Megane update complete. Now we just got to get some other bits done, a little bit more interesting stuff, but for now I'm kind of there at the minute with as far as the mods go. Like I say, the springs, the coating and the wrap and stuff has done me a fair bit, so I'm going to hold out. Got obviously, like I mentioned previously, plans for the wheels, spaced, etc. A couple of maxed in bits, but we will get there. But as for now, oh boy. So yes, we're back in the Mark IV. And yeah, massive difference to the exterior. Obviously, like where the how extra glossy it is on the outside and how insane it looks in the sunlight. Couldn't catch any of it because the sun tucked away. Like I say, it's been a beautiful day all day, and then I picked up the car and the sun's gone in, so couldn't flex on you with that. But yeah, good going over on the inside as well. All of the seats, like you said, all the seats are coated. All of the wheels been cleaned. Just need to get some like red dye or something to touch up this the 12 o'clock ring, because it's obviously where it's been cleaned, it's gone a bit, not faded, but it's gone a bit, well, faded is probably the only word I can think of. But yeah, no, it looks insane. I'm so happy with it. He's actually behind me right now. He's brought the Mark III outside. I don't know if he's hunting me down or what, or we're just going for a casual drive, but yeah, massive shout out to Real Details as per usual. Don't forget that offer from my previous video is only on for a certain amount of time. I'm not sure how long he'll grant that code for, so get in there while you can. And yeah, just a nice little short little video. Like I say, this is like the second part of well, second-ish part of the whole Megane update stuff. So I did this and the wrapping, which I didn't get on camera, but if you got me on Instagram then you'd already know. But yeah, most of my update stuff goes up there on Instagram anyway, so it keeps you up to date on what's happened, what I'm doing with the car, and what I'm planning to do and stuff. So but if you prefer to watch the video content, I appreciate it, and I appreciate your support. So yeah, catch you in the next video. Like and subscribe and that, as you always do, and then on to the next one. Peace.